Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to download and install Wattpad app. Wattpad application is available in Play Store and App Store. So if you're using the Apple device, simply open App Store. But if you're using Android, what you have to do is open Play Store. You can see over here Google Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Wattpad. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Wattpad and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the install option that you can see in this interface. Now you can see over here it is being installed. While it is being installed, you can simply scroll down and find out about this application. You'll be able to find the reviews, stories, etc. Also, you'll be able to find the data safety. Also, you'll be able to find the option for ratings and reviews. You can read the reviews over here. Once you're done, you can simply scroll up. Now wait for a while and Wattpad application will be installed. Now you can see over here Wattpad application has been installed. You can simply open it and start reading and writing the stories. So that is how you download and install Wattpad app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.